Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You're signed into the same Google account on both devices, and the lost device has location and internet enabled. Once done, open Google Maps or Android. com/find on your browser and choose the correct account. This tells Google which devices to query. Make sure Find My Device is active on Android, or Find My Device access is granted on Chrome for other devices, because without these permissions. Next, you select the device in Google Maps or on the Find My Device page and request its current location. Google returns a last known point plus a timestamp, so you know how fresh the info is. Once you see the pin, use Live View when available for walking directions or tap directions to drive there. This helps you estimate accuracy and plan your route. If accuracy is low, zoom and check the blue accuracy circle to judge how far you may need to search. Finally, you take action. Ring the device immediately so you can hear it if nearby. If not, lock it and display a contact message to help an honest finder return it. Only erase remotely as a last resort because that removes tracking ability. If the device is offline, make note of the last seen location and timestamp. Enable notifications to alert you when it comes online, and consider contacting your carrier or checking Google Timeline for movement history as additional clues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.